Hi, I'm James from Finding Country and I'm extremely excited to be showing you this absolutely exquisite 2 double bedroom apartment forming part of a unique and highly desirable Haseley Manor development by Spitfire Homes. It really is very special. It's been beautifully refurbished to a high standard and you're surrounded by the most gorgeous Warwickshire countryside. Let's take a look inside. The property benefits from its own private entrance and it has its own exclusive garden at the rear. The vaulted ceilings in the main living room are amazing. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this absolutely amazing property. It has everything you would need. It's got garage and parking spaces, plenty of guest parking spaces, and these absolutely incredible views over the Warwickshire countryside. It really is a beautiful place to live. We're close to Warwick and we're close to Solihull, the motorway network, where you can get almost anywhere in the country. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.